I don't know why.
Hey,
Hi.
I'm Becca.
Oh, look at this. 2 minutes until the time that
Alright.
happens when you were born. Great call.
And that's Jade.
I'm tired, man. I haven't eaten anything like all day, so I'm kind of like, woo.
Also, we wanted to make this video to wish you, Andrew, happy birthday, which rhymes. You, Andrew. Haha. Yeah.
That was terrible.
I know.
At least she knows, because sometimes she doesn't know and she'll talk about it for weeks. So.
Yes, it's true.
She confesses her crime.
I have bad
Shut up.
Okay.
Well, goodbye. Ish. Maybe?
Maybe.
I don't know.
I didn't know. Let's see.